welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. And of course, it is targeting Microsoft once again today. So, a couple of things on my daily rant of, pushing things around, not letting people have a choice, thinking that something is a good idea. Of course, the first one has to do with Microsoft accounts. Famous Microsoft accounts that they want to push on anybody that exactly is on a, computer that has Windows 11 and you just want to push Microsoft accounts. So basically, without him, well, you can't install Windows 11, which means without a internet connection, you're stuck. Of course, there's bypasses, but the problem is the bypass and the way to do it is, kind of for tech savvy people that or enthusiasts that know what they're doing and how to do it. Yeah, regular folks don't know how to do this, and you're forcing them to create a Microsoft account, and there's no choice of not having one. It's kind of sad, that is one of the first rants. But the second one is the fantastic idea that everybody needs to encrypt their hard drive and have BitLocker turned on by default when you install Windows. And so what happens? Well, your files are encrypted, and if you lose access to your account, your PC, or anything, well, goodbye files, goodbye pictures, goodbye everything you got. Because there's no way to recover from a BitLocker encryption if you've lost all the ways to log in to get that key to remove the encryption. No, there's no such thing as Microsoft selling you a way of getting out. Even they tell you there is no way out. It's encrypted. It's encrypted. There's nothing else we can do. And there's more and more people in the feedback hub that, as mentioned, have lost their files. And you know what? You're pushing BitLocker encryption on people that don't really know what it is, don't really care, that have a PC and they don't care. They don't care whether their files are encrypted or not. Actually, they don't want it encrypted because there's that risk of losing your files. Once again, another option where Microsoft decides, oh, from now on, this is the way it's going to be. And the worst part of it is BitLocker was not on Windows Home versions. But, suddenly, because we're forcing it, it's going to be also encrypting on Home. I'm sorry, Microsoft, but come on. You are really, really idiot, and you are pushing things to people that they don't need or want. So wake up. Once again, this is really, really dumb. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.